Well, first let me say I was the first member of Congress to ask for an independent inspection at the Phoenix VA when I first heard the allegations about what was happening there, and worked to protect the whistleblowers against retaliation. So my Whistleblower Protection Act just passed the House. And, you know, if those brave people hadn't come forward, we would never know what's going on at the VA. I just finished doing a round of visits to all three of our VA hospitals, the one in Prescott, the one here in Phoenix, and the one in Tucson. And after I do that, I have a veterans roundtable because I want to hear from them what their experience is with the veterans hospitals and the administration. When I was in Tucson having my veterans roundtable, John McCain was on the radio blaming the veteran service organizations for the problems at the VA. That's not going to fix the problems. Again, we need to work in a bipartisan way for our veterans. They've already paid the price. Now we have to fight for them with all our might.
Look, after this terrible thing happened and the tragedy here in Phoenix of 50 brave veterans dying on a non-existent waiting list, I was asked to work with Bernie Sanders, who was then the chairman of the VA, the Veterans Affairs Committee. We worked hard. It was tough. And from out of it, we made some significant reforms. Among them are the choice card, that a veteran, under certain conditions, is able to go out and get health care from a provider. So far, over 5 million appointments have been made. That was legislation that Senator Sanders and I worked on and was able to get through Congress. There's a terrible problem in America today, and that is veteran suicide. 8,000 veterans commit suicide every day, 8 year, 22 every day. I passed the Clay Hunt Suicide Prevention Act, thanks to the family members of Clay Hunt, a young man who committed suicide, and we are working on this issue.